Hey guys, what's up? Got my Kawasaki today. So we've got two Toyota Supras, and this is going down. We're gonna see how many points they have. Because they're exactly the same car, and yeah, purple Toyota Supra. Oh, this looks like it's actually surviving, to be honest. I think the purple one survived. Let's move on. Okay, so we're on a mountain, and yeah, let's see which one survives. Yellow one goes first, and um, this one's just going flying down. Oh, and would you look at that? This one actually sort of stayed in shape. Two wheels. Okay, so we have the purple Supra, and it's going down. So I guess that it's gonna survive. Um, Sorry about the background noise. It's just that hotel. So, but anyways, yeah. Let me know down in the comments what you think survived, because actually the yellow one survived because, to be honest, it's got two wheels and it looks in better shape, to be honest. So that's 1-1. Okay, now we've got Suburban Road, which actually may not seem too bad, but once you go full speed, it's going to get chaotic. So I'm going to try and keep it on the road for as much as I can on full speed, and still in okay shape, I guess. But yeah, so let's see how chaotic it can get. Oh, there we go. We lost two wheels. So now for the purple Supra. So that is already starting to look in bad shape. But trust me when I say it's gonna look bad. Okay, so that didn't survive like a quarter of the way. So we all know the yellow one wins. So that is now 2-1, and we are on the big ramp. So, oh, whoops. Let me try attempt to. Okay, attempt 2. Whoop. Attempt 3. Okay, finally. Got it right. So, let's do this. Whoa, we're going very fast. Almost up to 400 miles an hour. Wait, is that miles an hour? No, that's kilometers an hour. Okay, that's equivalent to like 350 miles an hour. I mean, I would have expected it. We're going off a big ramp, so... Okay. Purple time. Let's see if the purple one can survive more than the yellow Supra. I hope so. Because then, actually, I would make it tied, but... I don't know who's going to win here. Because this is pretty much a fair test, so... I'm doing them equally the same amount of power, you know. Ooh, they're landing differently, so. Which one? I don't actually know. They actually look like they've been done the same amount of damage. Let me check the backs. This is so hard. I think the yellow one wins. So, let's move on. Okay, so you've got free fall. And this is just, Yep, free falling. I'll see you on the down. Okay, we've reached down. This is the angle. Can't get it in a more clear angle, but yeah. Next car. As again, I just said free falling. So I'll meet you there. Which one looks more destroyed? Leave it down in the comments. I know you're fair. I think, to be honest, yellow car wins. So that's 3-2. 3? 4-2. Great. Okay, so we've got pillars fall. Okay, so let's see the damage being done. It actually looks like a fair amount of damage being done. But will it still work with only 2 wheels? Yes, but no at the same time. I'm not counting that because it won't work. Well, it won't drive, let's just say. Oh, okay. Oof. Actually, that's not that bad. None of the wheels have came off. Oh. There's now only 1 wheel. That's 5-2. So that's 5-2, as I said. Let's see. This is just a grinder, I think, or crusher. So let's see. 1 wheel is still on. Wait, yo, is one of the wheels is still on? Huh? That's actually quite funny.
It's really funny.
Okay, let's see. Can this beat the yellow Supra? I wasn't expecting any of the wheels to still be on after it got crushed. Wait. Oh my gosh, this can actually kind of still move. Oh, not anymore. Okay, so the wheel's still on this one as well. Surprising, but I think the purple one wins because that actually can still move a little bit. That's actually quite impressive. Purple one wins. Well, it's on 5-3. And now we've got press. So let's just right. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the purple Supra. I think we agree that purple Supra wins, right? Yeah, I think so. We don't, yeah. So we've got the Hummers, or Hammers, maybe they misspelt it. Okay, yeah, that's not going any further. What about this Supra? Oh, got knocked out. Don't think we can go back in, no. It's clear that this Supra won. So that's 4-5, catching up. Okay, and for the last one, the grand finale, we're doing speed bumps. Because, why not? And it's basically the Mega Ramp, but just with speed bumps. Oh, and we're falling. Okay, so you can't dodge the speed bumps. Because, yeah. Attempt 2. Okay, so yeah, starting attempt 2. Perfect, nice. So, here we have the speed bumps again. And it just goes flying out. We don't even get to finish the ramp, but that is okay. The yellow one's there as well. Which one looks more damaged? Like, okay, these still have its back wheels on, and this doesn't. So, overall, the yellow Supra wins. So, that comes to a conclusion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye.